Industry has begun to look seriously to reduce the consumption of oil. The concept of green shipping or sustainable shipping became a more important issue in the globally. Besides until we also have the ship to create at the speed of 50 knots and stability will be provided by the transparent hull, a slim monohull that will have two smaller port hulls known as quantum of each. In the 1970s and 1980s, there are special ships fitted with the rigid cells to consume the fuel. However, the Japanese ship proved that the rigid cells reduce the consumption of fuel. Is the usage of the solar power. This solar power has advanced in recent years. So, the usage of the solar power can be used to some extent for this purpose. Another reason was that the solar power alone used is not so comfortably used in the ship. So, shipping industry needs more than the power of the solar power. For this, the shipping industry needs more energy. This energy can be given by the wind. This energy can be tapped by taking the solar energy and wind power together. Another way to reduce the solar consumption is using of the fuel consumption by reducing it. More about this be explained by next MANASA. The scientific theory of this is Newton's star. Professor Isaac Newton presented this class in the philosophical NASA. His star says that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. For an aircraft, the principle of action and its reaction is very important. It shows the explanation of lift for this problem. When the air is deflected downwards by the action of air force, the reaction in which the body is moved in another direction. For this problem, there is a solution. The innovative wind and the air can be together, and the engine also produces through reaction and action. A ship with MRE system will be partly solar ship and partly a side ship. These will use both the solar energy and wind energy, which consumes the fuel. The power of wind and energy is used via the energy cell. Now my friend KAVYA will explain more about the windmill. Now, the windmill power needs a wind power for its propulsion. According to the windmill ship, a windmill ship wide energy conversion system, ship or wind energy harvest system, propels itself by use of windmill to drive a propeller. There are several types of ships, such as windmill ship, hybrid ship. One of the windmill ships is having windmill power. Another ship that has wind power is the hybrid ship. The hybrid ship can store the power from the windmill when it is not used. Now, another thing is the ship that moves here. Now, let my friend MANASA will explain more about it. Wind is a renewable energy. As long as the sun shines, there will be winds on the earth. Some planets have more wind than others. The areas near the water have a lot of wind. When the wind blows, the turbine also spins around it. When the wind blows, the turbine moves and make a generator to make the electricity. The turbines do not run all the time. They will run only for some time. Because the wind blows all the time at hard and sometimes it does not blow. Now let me conclude. Let us make the utility of the natural resources and save the non-renewable resources. Let us not include the solar energy on wind power